Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best gardening shoes that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Muck Boot Women's Rubber Garden. The Muck Boot Women's Rubber Garden Boots are a reliable and versatile choice for outdoor activities. Made from 100% neoprene, they provide exceptional waterproof protection, keeping your feet dry and comfortable in wet and muddy conditions. With a shaft height of 9 inches, these boots offer ample coverage and support for various activities, from gardening to snow-related tasks. The rubber sole ensures traction and durability, making them suitable for different terrains. These boots, originating from both the USA and imported sources, combine quality, functionality, and comfort to meet the demands of outdoor enthusiasts and gardeners alike. Moving on at number 4, we have Evercreatures Women's Rain Ankle Boot. Evercreatures Women's Rain Boot Ankle Boots, known for their meadow wellies, are a stylish and practical choice for women who want to stay fashionable even on rainy days. These ankle boots offer a trendy and contemporary design, making them suitable for various occasions. With the UK brand's reputation for quality, these boots are built to withstand wet conditions while keeping your feet dry. Whether you're tending to your garden, exploring the outdoors, or simply navigating rainy urban streets, Evercreatures Rain Boot Ankle Boots combine functionality and style, ensuring that you can look your best while staying comfortable and protected in damp weather. At number 3, we have Sloggers Women's Waterproof Rain. The Sloggers Waterproof Garden Shoe for Women is a practical and comfortable choice for gardening and outdoor activities. These slip-on rain and garden clogs are designed to keep your feet dry and comfortable, making them ideal for tending to your garden, walking in wet conditions, or any outdoor task. They feature a premium comfort support insole, ensuring that you can stay on your feet for extended periods without discomfort. With their waterproof design, you can confidently tackle muddy and damp environments. Sloggers combines functionality with convenience, making these garden shoes an excellent choice for women who want reliable footwear that's easy to slip on and off while maintaining comfort and support. At number 2, we have Emoji Unisex Garden Clog Yard Shoes. The Emoji Unisex Garden Clog Yard Shoes are versatile and comfortable footwear designed for various outdoor activities. These garden clogs are perfect for gardening, yard work, and even as casual outdoor shoes. They offer a slip-on design for quick and easy use, making them convenient for those on the go. The unisex style ensures that they can be worn by anyone, and the breathable material keeps your feet comfortable during extended wear. Whether you're tending to your garden, running errands, or simply need a pair of shoes to slip into for outdoor tasks, the Emoji Garden Clog Yard Shoes provide a practical and comfortable solution for your needs. And finally at number 1, Emoji Unisex Garden Clogs. The Emoji Unisex Garden Clogs shoes are versatile and comfortable footwear suitable for various outdoor activities. These garden clogs can be used for gardening, yard work, or as casual outdoor sandals and slippers. Their unisex design ensures that they are suitable for both men and women. These shoes are easy to slip on and off, making them convenient for quick trips outside or for work in the garden. They are designed with a focus on comfort and breathability, ensuring that your feet stay cool and comfortable. The Emoji Unisex Garden Clogs shoes are a practical and comfortable choice for anyone seeking reliable and easy-to-wear outdoor footwear.